Brema Ice Maker, we have to change compressor, fan motor. This ice maker old, more than 15 years. It's built in 2009. It's factory made. Now we changed this compressor and this fan motor also. And there is some problem, I think maybe in condenser hub somewhere is leaking. But let's check and get start the work. This inside the chamber, you see this lot of dust and corrosion and plug also have this water filter is not good. That's why this all coming plug. Let's remove the gas and this change compressor. Connect the gauge meter and then remove. Every time when we have to change the compressor, you have to release the gas. Otherwise it will be blast. Let's remove the gas all thing and remove this nut before the remove welding. They already done the welding and let's remove because my cameraman not focusing. They forget about this video when I remove this pipe. Let's bring out this compressor and get ready this new one. This compressor band was this Embraco. It's a very nice company. This Embraco compressor is very nice. Let's remove this capacitor, box and relay. Connection log. One tar here. Follow. Conta. Let's change this whole thing before the spray. You have to spray that. Let's connect this new capacitor and relay. Make sure this connection should be, because if there is any wrong, this compressor will be damaged. So take care of this expensive compressor. Always make sure this connection is the perfect and right way. Otherwise compressor will be damaged. So turn the cover. Let's reinstall it and let him check. It's a lot of work to do than this compressor. And this how old this ice maker cannot think it. It's more than 15 years. This built in 2009. This factory sticker says 2009. This let's clean all thing this rust. Then we have to paint this one. First of all, we have to clean all thing. and we have to remove this condenser because there is somewhere heavily. You see the condenser have some oil or something. We have to remove this one also. And then let's check this water leaking. We bring in this one in this big bowl, water bowl. Then check there. I have to make sure because this is older than 15 years. There is somewhere have leak, maybe, I don't know, but I have to check, make sure. Maybe there is some leak, I think so, because there is some oil. Let's remove this condenser. That fan motor is also someone is changing before. That's why that condenser was damaged. That compressor is damaged because this fan motor is small and also damaged. This stopped working. That time take high pressure and that compressor is gone. Somewhere in leak maybe, I don't know, I have to check. If there is any leak, I have to change this this condenser, and this fan motor will be changed it already. Let's see, everything is rust and dirty. There is other video with this in my live video, you saw there, no problem. My live video, there I changed this fan motor and this cleaning and painting. This compressor we have to change. This is the new one. This is the old one. Let's installation this new compressor. This whole thing is painting. This color is good. Now I have to reweld everything. Make sure this welding is no leak, so otherwise that will get again problem, give you more trouble. The welding is done, very nice. welding is finished. Now we vacuum that full vacuum, then refill the gas. Let's check. You see this down was a lot of rust. Now inside I have to clean that. Inside the chamber, this water tray and the ice chamber, all this coming, this iron. That's cleaning well. Let's start this one. Now checking everything to refill some gas. Then I have to change this fan. This fan is broken. Compressor is running, but fan not working. Let's check. After that one, it all cleaning, all thing. Now see, very nice. It look like a new. Look like a new. Everything is good, all thing. Nurse on, and then check this ice. Let's on. Now until this, see next morning full of ice. Very nice. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. If you need more like this video, please like and subscribe. Full of ice is look like new. You see, remember this old one?